Happy Wednesday evening to you, Storm Tracker 7 Chief Meteorologist Jeff Booth here. Right now, we've been talking about the red flag warnings that we have in effect across the viewing area because we've got very dry conditions, windy conditions. It's been very warm, dry wind, not good for brush fires, so avoid any outdoor burning if you can because, again, we have red flag warnings in effect. It's 81 right now in Wheeling, 80 in Steubenville. We're looking at the mid to upper 70s in Cadiz, Barnesville, and in the Woodsfield area. Caldwell looking at 79, but yeah, we're mild out there. It's a little breezy. Again, it's also really dry, so just keep in mind we'll have the threat for some brush fires out there as we head through the evening and into the overnight hours. We have a little rain on the way tonight, though. That'll help kind of squelch that fear. Also, some cooler weather working in, so it won't be quite as dry because when you are dealing with very hot conditions and low dew points, it's super dry. If you get the conditions and the temperatures a little bit closer to the dew point, the air is a little more saturated, and so it's not quite as flammable out there. So we're still going to be windy out there tomorrow. Let's keep that in mind. But you can see a couple of passing clouds starting to break up a little bit in our western counties. We widen out a little bit, and yeah, you can see those kind of opening up out in central Ohio. We have some showers, some storms out over parts of Illinois, and actually folks out that way can see a little bit of stronger weather. We're not expecting that here. Going to be expecting to see mainly some of those light to nuisance showers out there. And we got something going on out there tomorrow morning, 5:01 a.m. The spring equinox, the vernal equinox as it's known. So here's why it happens. The Earth is not just kind of sitting straight up and down. It's actually tilted on its axis at 23.5 degrees. This is what gives us our seasons, not the distance from the sun. It's the sun angle and the tilt of the Earth that causes that. So during the spring equinox, we are dealing with this kind of head on to the sun, and that's kind of what's going on tomorrow is we are going to be dealing with the Earth's tilt. It's tilted neither away nor from the sun. We have basically equal amounts of daylight and darkness at almost all latitudes. Now, it's not exactly 12-hour days and 12-hour nights, but it's pretty close to it because of the way things are setting up tomorrow. So winter is officially over tomorrow. Good riddance. It was kind of a bad one out there, but we still have some cooler conditions in the forecast before you know it. But hour by hour tonight, by 10 o'clock, you can still see mainly clear to partly cloudy skies. The clouds really start increasing overnight. Stopping the clock at 7 a.m., we have some light showers in parts of the area. This could slow you down driving into work tomorrow. It's not going to rain all day tomorrow. We get a little break in the mid to late morning hours. Could still see a sprinkle by lunchtime, but then we kind of fire up a few showers into the afternoon. Not expecting a ton of rain, but still a little nuisance rain out there. But as we start to see things dry out through the evening tomorrow and into tomorrow night, we clear out. That's going to set us up for a chilly start on Friday morning with plenty of sunshine here by Friday, but temperatures are going to be really cold to start. Actually, we're looking at a seasonable day from start to finish on Friday. We're looking at, though, a high of 58 tomorrow with off and on showers. Going to stay breezy. We're going to start off in the upper 20s on Friday, but back up to 52 in the afternoon. Chance for some off and on rain at times on Saturday into Sunday. It's not going to rain straight through the weekend, but we're in and out of some rain at times. Looks like we're going to deal with some late day rain, some afternoon showers possible on Sunday with just some off and on rain at times on Saturday. And that kind of pattern, just sort of in and out of some rain, not really raining at all the whole time. We're kind of in through that on into Monday and Tuesday. So it's not going to rain straight through, but you'll need that umbrella from time to time. Bigger story, we're cooling off a little bit by the end of that 7-day forecast. We're in the upper 40s on Tuesday and Wednesday.